Hello everyone, my name's Teacher Sean. Welcome to Game Design with Roblox. I've been teaching coding and game design for over 15 years. One of the best programs I've found to help students learn game design is a program called Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio is great because you can start out as a beginner and make simple games, but you can also progress to more advanced concepts to create more powerful and advanced games. Roblox Studio can also be seen as a vehicle that helps students learn really important skills like game design, coding, problem solving, other future ready skills like how the game design process works. So overall, as students are having fun making games in Roblox Studio, they're also helping themselves prepare for the future. This class is a club format. That means that each class covers a different game design, 3D modeling, or coding topic that isn't related to the previous classes. That means a student can jump in at any time. They don't have to have taken previous club classes. They can jump into one of the club classes anytime. I try to design the lesson so that we can help both experienced creators and beginner creators, so everybody's successful. The general kind of format of each lesson is I first teach the lesson, so I teach the skill for that club class. I then give students a challenge to apply that skill. And finally, after the challenge, all students have the option, if they want, to actually share their game with the class. So they can share the game they worked on in the club, or if they have other games they're working on outside of the club, they can share it then. So they can share any game they're working on. Overall, my goal for this club is really to help students have a fun time learning how to make games, learn future-ready skills, 3D modeling, and coding skills. I also cover, speaking of future-ready skills, I also touch on things like divergent and creative thinking in the club, growth mindset, communication, and a bunch of other really important future-ready skills for kids. All right, if your student's interested in learning game design and coding in kind of a fun format, sign them up for my club. Okay, hopefully I'll see you in class. Bye, everybody.